In this video, I'll show you how to extend or loop an audio track in Suno AI. First, open your browser and go to the Suno AI website. Then, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly sign up. Once you're inside, upload your audio file using the Upload option or select a track from your library if you already have one saved. Now, select the audio track you want to work with. Here, you will see options like Extend and Loop. If you want to make your track longer, click on Extend. This will generate extra audio that matches your original track. If you want to repeat a part of your track, choose Loop instead. Next, set the duration or how long you want the audio to be. Keep it based on your project needs. After that, click on Preview and listen carefully. If something feels off, you can adjust the length or settings and try again. Once you are satisfied, click on Save or Export. Choose your format and download the final audio file. And that's it. That's how you can extend or loop audio in Suno AI.